The Ultimate Buyer's Guide presents the top 5 air purifiers of 2025. With rising concerns like allergies, pets, and indoor air quality, having the right purifier can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down from number 5 up to the top pick, highlighting what each one does best, who it's perfect for, and ending with quick pros and cons. Ready to find the perfect fit for your home? Links in the description for best prices. Let's go.
Coming in at number 5 is the Shark NeverChange Max, model HP302. This purifier is all about convenience. Its standout feature is a true HEPA filter that lasts up to 5 years. No replacements needed. It's also built to handle large spaces up to 1,400 square feet, making it ideal for open-concept living rooms, basements, or households that want low maintenance. An odor neutralizer cartridge also tackles cooking smells, smoke, and pet odors. The NeverChange Max is best for families with open floor plans or anyone tired of constantly swapping filters. The pros: it's ultra-low maintenance, has excellent odor control, covers a wide area, and is quiet on low settings. For the cons: it has a bulky design, has no built-in app or Wi-Fi controls, and the remote is sold separately. Next, at number 4, we have the Clorox Large Room True HEPA Model 11010. This one is a budget-friendly purifier that still packs a punch. It features an auto mode, a real-time air quality display, and efficient cleaning for medium to large rooms like bedrooms, offices, and smaller living rooms. While it doesn't have Wi-Fi, it delivers reliable performance at a price that undercuts many competitors. This one is best for budget-conscious buyers who want strong cleaning without overpaying for extras. Pros: great value, intuitive air quality display, and it's simple to set up. The cons: the True HEPA has no Wi-Fi or app support, and the replacement filter cost can add up. Number 3 goes to the Mila Air 3 Purifier. Mila stands out for its modular filter system. You can swap filters like Big Sneeze for allergies or Overreactor for heavy pollution. The companion app is one of the smartest on the market, giving detailed air quality insights and even adjusting fan speed based on whether you're home. The Air 3 also adds Apple HomeKit support for seamless smart home integration. This purifier is best for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and smart home enthusiasts who want custom control. For the pros, you get customizable filters, an excellent app experience, sleek modern design, as well as smart home integration. But the cons are that it's louder on higher settings, and the filters can be pricey. Runner-up is the Blueair Bluepure 511 Signature. Known for combining high performance with Scandinavian design, the Signature model is one of the fastest and quietest purifiers you can buy. It's rated for large rooms, and Blueair's HEPA Silent technology balances whisper-quiet operation with high clean air delivery rate, or high CADR ratings. On top of that, it looks stylish enough to blend into any modern home. The Bluepure is best for large living rooms or design-conscious buyers who want quiet but powerful air cleaning. The pros: it has a high clean air delivery rate performance. It's super quiet and energy efficient, all packed in a sleek design. For the cons, it's heavy to move, and it has no UV or germ kill features. And at number 1 is the Winix 5510-2. This model nails the balance between performance, smart features, and efficiency. It uses a true HEPA filter with plasma wave technology for tackling allergens, smoke, and odors. The smart app integration makes it easy to monitor and adjust from your phone, and it's ENERGY STAR certified for efficiency. Multiple reviews from Consumer Reports to CNET highlight this model as one of the most dependable all-around performers in 2025. This pick is best for families, allergy sufferers, or anyone who wants a strong, smart connected purifier without breaking the bank long-term. The pros: the Winix has excellent air cleaning performance. It offers convenient smart app controls. It's energy efficient and has a great reputation. The cons are the higher upfront cost, and it's bulkier than some mid-sized models.
Okay, so here's a quick rundown. Number 5 is the Shark NeverChange Max HP 302. It's best for big spaces and no filter you'll have to swap out. Number 4, the Clorox Large Room 111010, the value pick for medium rooms. Number 3, the Mila Air 3. It's a customizable, smart-friendly purifier for allergy households. Number 2, the Blueair Blue Pure 511 Signature, a high-performance purifier with modern design. And number 1 is Winix 55102, the best all-around balance of performance, smart features, and efficiency.
So there you have it. Choose based on your priorities.
Small space? Pet allergies? Smart home setup? Let us know in the comments which one fits your home best. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more guides like this. Thanks for watching. Breathe easy. See you next time.